I'm Rob. We're back at the shop, and today we're going to talk about our carts. Jeff had the idea that we would maybe start putting some tools in these little mobile carts so that whenever we're working around the shop, we don't have to keep walking back and forth to our benches or to these designated spots in the shop to pick up all the little hand tools that we need when we're doing something, whether it's like case construction or breaking down lumber. So this is sort of my first week with the cart, and I'll be the first to admit it's a real work in progress. I'm trying to figure out what's handy, what's superfluous, and I think it's a good idea. I mean, I'm really starting to enjoy it. So I'll go through it and I'll tell you what's in my cart today. Right here, of course, we have these screw boxes that we 3D printed. These are the 4 main screws, 1.5 inch, 1.25 inch, 1.25 pocket, and 1.5 pocket. Got my drivers and my drills. All my bits are in here, so any kind of bit I need, whether it's for regular screws, the pockets, Vicks bits, countersinks. I got this little drill set from Montana. We have both metric and imperial hex keys and a bunch of measuring and layout stuff that I know I use all the time. I have a carpenter's pencil because I use that a lot when I'm breaking down lumber. Some calipers when we're milling. I like to know exactly what we got. Even got a little screwdriver. An extra tape. I mean, I wear my apron everywhere and I have a lot of that stuff in my apron already. But I find I use the stuff in the cart. I got a hammer, my glue, extra knives from my blades, a couple of little clamps, and this is probably my most important thing. This is my notebook. I reached the point where I really got to start taking notes, and it's helped me a lot. And I don't know, how you guys go about your day at work, but like today, I just wrote down some of the things I wanted to do, and as I get them accomplished, I'll cross them off. I have some things here on the other page, just like John's coming today at 2 o'clock, just to keep me on point, because I can't really remember everything that's going on through the day. And it helps if I want to jot down some measurements or anything like that. So notebook's really handy to have. We'll probably check back in maybe a month or so, and we'll see how this cart has developed. Jeff and I were talking about maybe putting some drawers down here in the bottom section, and we'll see what stays and what goes.